The history of the Philippines cannot be written without mentioning the warrior Lapu-Lapu and our martyr Jose Rizal. We cannot retell our story as a people without the EDSA People Power of 1986 and our history as a Catholic nation without the voice of EDSA Jaime Cardinal Sin. 39 years ago, nobody in his wildest dreams ever thought that Father June Sescon would be ordained a bishop for the church in Balanga today. Father June was mentored by Cardinal Sin as a young priest at Villa San Miguel. Father June did his mission as a priest, friend, and teacher, basking on nothing else, grace. That is what Father June has been. That is what Father June has always given. Inspired by Romans 4:16, which says, everything is grace. He has chosen for his episcopal motto, Gratia, grace. Grace is a gift. Grace is from God.
Today, I receive the grace of the episcopate on the occasion of the 39th anniversary of the EDSA People Power Revolution as a form of prayer for generosity. Grace upon grace. Everything is grace. This is the very reason, spirit, and purpose of our celebration today. We are grace, and so we are grateful. To my fellow Bataeños, I am returning home. Babalik na at uuwi ako sa Bataan, sa bayan ng mga bayani at banal. I pray that we may never forget that to be a good Christian, a good priest, a good bishop, is also to give ourselves to become a good citizen, vigilant to truth, justice, integrity, freedom, and peace, as to become the conscience and prophets of society. Tayo ay dapat makabayan dahil tayo ay makadiyos. Mga kapatid, huwag po natin kalimutan ang grasya ng Diyos. Dadalhin ko sa Bataan ang kanyang grasya, awa, pag-ibig at pagpapala. Mahal na pong Jesus Nazareno, kawaan niyo po ako, basbasan niyo po ako. Kaya't mga kapatid, samahan po ninyo kong magbigay papuri, parangal at pasasalamat ang Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno.